you will have homework problems like this, where it says, without a calculator, find two values of theta in degrees and radians such that the sine of theta is the square root of 3 over 2. And the reason why they tell you without a calculator is because this square root of 3 over 2 is easily recognized as one of our unit circle coordinates. So we won't need to use the calculator to do this kind of thing. Right? If I take the inverse of both sides, that would give me something back in decimals, which is not bad, honestly. But the fact that it's a unit circle value means we don't even need to do that. We should be able to identify the angles where the sine equals the square root of 3 over 2 just by looking at the unit circle. And here's the key part of it. The sine equals positive square root of 3 over 2. So we need to be thinking about in which two quadrants would you expect to find angles where sine equals a positive number. And since sine is like is the y coordinate, that would be in quadrants 1 and quadrant 2. So looking in between, but from here all the way around to here, we're looking for two angles where the sine, the y coordinate, is square root of 3 over 2. And we find it here, that looks like 60 degrees or pi over 3. And here, 2 pi over 3, 120 degrees. So that's our answer. Right? Go back to our theta equals 60 degrees. In degrees, it would be 60 degrees and 120 degrees. And in radians, it would be pi over 3 and 2 pi over 3. So again, when it says without a calculator, it's because this value is a coordinate from the unit circle, and we should be able to recognize it by looking at the unit circle, right? And you have your unit circle right in front of you. So use it to answer this kind of question.